Hello everybody, welcome back to Yeldarb Slots. We are over here. We just landed the free games. First free spin is the hold and spin bonus. Need some with mini, minor, major, or I'll take all small ones and just fill it up. We'll take the grand, just fill it up. Ooh, it was flashing down there in the bottom. Last spin, we got catch one, stay alive. Oh, never even seen one flash on top. $6.25. Good first spin of 10 free games. We got 9 more free games coming up. Hey, another hold and spin bonus. $3.50 already on the board. Gotta catch one to stay alive. Anyone. There we go. Alright, we're already into a hand pay. We still got 7 more free games after this. This is our last spin. We need to catch one to stay alive. Yeah! Down to 2 again. It's teasing us. Flashing in that top left again. Now flashing on the right. Come on, either one. Oh. Another $7.50 on top. We're up to 14.3. Oh. Those trophies blocked our wilds that time. Two more spins. Can we break the 1,500 mark? Last spin. Oh, $1,479. $1,479 over here on Lightning Link. All right, they're gonna have to come reset us and get us paid out. We appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, Yeldarb Slots on YouTube. Like and share this video. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.